Hey guys, in the camper light and fireworks today, we have the bed bug. Just for reference for me to look back on the video, because we're always looking for the brand name and we want to find them. The brand is Hairy Beaver Fireworks. We don't know where it's at. We're still working on that. Right there though, Hairy Beaver Fireworks. We got these are insane. It's the coolest thing ever. Tell your friends it's a fountain, but it's the biggest firecracker you've ever seen. It is worth every penny. So let me show you guys this one. This is a big one.
Okay, because then I think it's gonna go.
I'm gonna do this in this tube we've got set up here. This tube should make it sound even louder than it is. Wait for these cars to go by. Here we go. Just a little fountain.